So how in the world do you know if your bales are getting enough water? Well, you can stick your finger in there. If you get 2 knuckles deep and it feels moist on the tip of your finger, your bales are probably fine. If it feels dry, they probably need water. Another great way to tell is to plant an indicator plant in your garden. What I've chosen are impatiens flowers. Here in Minnesota, they don't have much fungal disease problem. I know in other parts of the country they might. You might want to choose some other flower that works better for you in your part of the country. Probably choose something that's shade loving. They tend to need more moisture and they'll dry out more quickly, and that of course indicates when your garden needs water. So I'm going to use an impatient flower. I'm going to plant these in different spots throughout my garden, and if I look out or walk by the garden and I see that the impatiens have begun to wilt, I know that my garden probably needs water. The rest of the plants won't be far behind in terms of what they need for moisture. So pick up some impatiens or whatever type of indicator flower and plant them throughout your garden here and there. When you look at those, they'll be the first plant to tell you if your garden needs moisture.